So hello, in today's video I will talk about different survival uses of an analog wristwatch. Okay, survival use number 1, it tells you the time, so you always know how much daylight is left. Use case number 2, did you know you can actually use a free wristwatch as a compass? Yeah, and it's actually pretty easy. You just point the hour hand of your wristwatch towards the sun, and then the middle point between your hour hand and the 12 o'clock mark will mark south. Opposite of south is of course north. But this technique only works if you are in the northern hemisphere. So keep that in mind. Next use, it's actually a pretty good one. You can use it as a signaling mirror. Yeah. Most watches have a stainless steel polished back or a golden one, and this is able to actually throw a good spark. Like you see here. Next use, you can use a watch as a fire starter. And sometimes even in different ways. An old one like this, with a little bubble glass, you just remove the glass and can use it as a kind of lens. Also as a magnification glass. On a more modern watch, you just have to remove the battery. Those little button cell batteries do contain a lot of energy, and if you short it, let's say with a bubblegum paper or something like this, you can actually get it to ignite something. So, fire starting tool. Next, you have a solid leather strap on here. So, if you have to strap something to something, you just take the strap off your watch, poke a little hole in here, and you can secure a stick to something. If someone has tied your hands together, you could break the glass and try to cut the rope with it. And now it's your turn to let me know if you know even more wristwatch or watch in general survival hacks or skills. And now we are going into the talking part of this video that I actually just make to get a nice looking thumbnail like this one. So, you have seen some of my wristwatch hacks, and I think there are probably still a lot of things I haven't thought of. And another thing I will do is I will do a similar video with a Swiss Army knife, one with a cell phone, and one that's actually a secret. So you have to subscribe to know what you're missing if you don't subscribe. Oh, that's a trap. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed it, and till next time, I see you at the Adventures Club.